Hi, my name's Leo. I'm with Price Honda in McMinnville. I'm going to go over the maintenance minder system with you guys today and what it means and what you might need to do when it does come on. Most of the time, it starts at 100%, and you'll have either an A or a B service. An A service is a pretty straightforward oil change. We'll do a multi-point inspection. The B service is a little more entailed usually. It also includes a multi-point inspection, usually a tire rotation. Once you get down to about 15%, it's a good time to give me a call, and then we'll get you on the schedule to get it taken care of for you. 15% oil life means that you have 15% viscosity life, basically. Plenty of oil in the vehicle as far as that goes. It just does a calculation on what the lubrication properties of the oil is. So the mileage doesn't necessarily matter. It used to be mileage. Now it's actually a more complicated system. It does a calculation based on your driving habits, in-town driving, highway driving, idle time, highway time, and then it does a calculation of what the viscosity of the oil should be. Sometimes it'll go anywhere from 5,000 miles all the way up to 7,500 miles. So there's really not necessarily a mileage recommendation anymore. 23 Hondas come with what's called our service pass. It's 24 months or 24,000 miles of oil changes, either A or B service. Give me a call, and when your light comes on, we'll get those taken care of for you.